You could grow it with the black net alone.
Yes.
But rain would affect it. This is a farmer from Jamaica visiting Guyana.
Hello.
These are small farmers that doing banana production.
Okay.
Production. So this celery production, and this is the shallot to tell you about. The scallion. These one.
People from all over the world.
My name is Krishna Sivalal. I'm the Regional Crop Extension of Region 5. Yeah, this community called Bat Narstik is West Coast Berbice. We got a lot of farmers doing vegetable crops.
Okay.
On this project we talk about, the Ministry of Agriculture embarking on a model project where they building pens. They wanted to do a model project so school children, other farmers could come and see some management practices of sheep and goats. So they have the Berbice black belly ram. They would get the Texana, the Harper. They would get Animal House. They would get some local chicken, the black giant chicken. They would get the other meat board. They would have some pigs, some breeding pigs.
Hold it out there for me.
So farmers could other farmers could come and could see some and observe some management practices.
Yes.
And they would be
also,
records.
like pigs would be there.
Yeah, they would have pigs, sheep and goat, black giant chicken, breeding animal. So that other farmers could come and see. They would have records that farmers could see weight gain over a period of time. And the feeding program.
I would have to watch it though.
Yeah. The next building is GMC, Guyana Marketing Corporation. They establish a food processing facility. We go a little closer.
Yeah.
On the one, a processing facility where farmers, when they grow the seasoning, they could actually, if they want to do bottle seasoning or they want to add a flavor to the.
So they just make like a payment and they do it for
the
them.
Minister of Agriculture launched this only a week ago.
Yeah, this is so good.
If you see the sign is Guyana Marketing is an agro-processing facility. So it's a unit. So they have all the heavy processing facilities, blenders. Machine could actually do the stuff.
Job for the farmers.
Yes. So here they would. So over there, like these are we major. Let me go closer here. This is one of the major crop in this region, shallot cultivation or chives. So.
Oh, like the scallion?
Yeah, like the scallion. So let me see, farmers padlock the gate.
Well, that's a lot.
Yeah. Well, it's just a part. We going into a village that the entire village would do this crop.
Yes.
Let me go a little close on this one. See the gate open. Yeah, somebody should be here. So let me go in. Oh, you could get this picture with these guys, fashioning some bananas. So these are.
Oh yes, I'm coming.
Region 3 do the largest planting of banana. This region to a lesser extent.
And we didn't get the chance to see much of the bananas.
So banana are coming. So these are small farmers that doing banana production.
Okay.
And we get.
Hello, morning.
Yeah, we get middlemen would actually come from different part of the country to do purchasing.
Okay. So that would be a large banana field.
No, it's small. It's small. In Region 3?
Yes.
It's just like 1 acre or less than 1 acre. In Region 3 have farmers 100 acres,
Okay.
And these not to the best quality, but farmers would sell them.
Yeah, so we in Jamaica now, we cook this like this.
You cook it like that?
Yeah, we don't wait until it is ripe. We just peel it, cook it and eat it for breakfast. So this is what we have for breakfast.
Maybe you share the recipe how you cook it.
No man, you just peel it, cut it, peel it, boil it.
Boil it?
Yes. And when you boil it, you eat it with your ackee and saltfish.
Oh, okay. Like we in Ghana we boil it like provision, like cassava, sweet potato, yam.
Yeah. So we would boil it like the cassava and the sweet potato and so on.
This is a farmer from Jamaica visiting Guyana.
Hello.
This farmer, Mr. Harry Gobin.
Yes.
he actually doing seasoning. So we take a look at the farm. Anything you could just come, Bedouina.
Okay.
So this is a small shade house that they would do celery production. So this celery production, and this is the shallot to tell you about. The scallion, these one a major crop in region 5.
The shallot.
Yeah, shallot is chives. The scallion would be longer and bigger ball, but but
these are finer.
yes, and these Guyanese use it as a form of seasoning to chip up in, you know, fried rice and different stuff.
Yes.
The flavor.
What is that, mint?
No, there is we call it a fine thyme. It's a thyme.
Oh, okay.
It's a fine thyme, and that one is a thick leaf thyme. This region you won't see much mint. Like in region 3, you would see mint.
Yeah. That's how our mint look in Jamaica. Similar.
Yeah.
To that. Pak choy?
Yeah. Well, yeah. The farmer now he transplanting some pak choy, but this is the major crop.
These are ready to harvest.
No, this almost ready to harvest. This would harvest like a week or 2 weeks from now.
Okay.
But after this is the transplanting stage. After you finish harvest, some farmers would clip off the blade and sell the blade, and some now we doing transplanting.
Okay.
So this would grow like this the next couple of weeks.
Ooh. So it's a scallion cousin.
Yeah, this.
Okay. So this will be a part of the transplanting
Yes.
and putting. Oh, okay.
With the weather now, you can't cut off and plant.
Yeah, because
too
of
much
the rain.
Yeah, the rain. So you plant like this, could save the crop.
Okay. So when you have like this, then the rain don't affect the crops that much.
No, because it got a UV plastic on top.
Yes.
The UV plastic rain won't affect this. But if you grow this crop, you have to get the black net. You could grow it with the black net alone,
Yes.
but rain would affect it, constant rainfall. But with the UV plastic, you protect it from rain. No rain at all, because this crop needs shade. It's grow under shade.
Yes.
It can't grow outdoor with the sun.
Okay. All right then. All right. Thank you so much, sir. Yes.
So like he farming on this portion. You got to add another farm over there.
On that portion.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's my little camp. You get
Put on a little pot to the
pot, you know.
You
So
cook?
yeah.
make some carrots or provision. You get a little more push me there today.
I can look at it.
You know start. No, you know start cook.
Oh, you're going to cook? No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Corn and
But he got his. So why is they doing farming? By
this
the
is
time.
the pot.
Yeah. We call it karahi.
Yeah.
Karahi and
The bush meat gotta go.
what type of bush meat? What type of bush meat?
What rice?
Watrash. Yeah. Watrash is a sweet bush meat, like something like pork. It's sweet.
Oh, so it takes a long time to cook, or
Yeah, what rice we're going to eat in the freezer, so it's cow, you know, it's we part of the cut it up, season up and we open it.
so about 2 hours or less.
Get about that.
Oh, okay.
So if you buy corn here, we're going to buy some more corn and the provision, and then I'm raw.
Okay.
The provision, I think it's around somewhere. You know, it's holiday, man, we got to...
Yeah.
Do some cooking.
It's still in the holiday mood, you know. So you work on the farm, you cook on the farm, you know.
Yes. That's good. All right. Thank you.
Sell in Guyana. You don't grow in Guyana because the scallion it grow too large and the blade too fat, you know, large. The Guyanese get used this seasoning as a finer seasoning that you would chip it up.
Yes.
In Chinese restaurant they use it a lot.
Easier for them.
Yeah, as a flavor, you know, to decorate food and seasoning.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of